Hey there crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Binance account, how to create a new Binance account. So if you don't have one, well, watch this video to the end so you understand everything about it and how to create the account. It is very important, especially if you're starting in the crypto world. If you're new to the channel, then thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss out on any video updates and content on this channel. Like the video so it is recommended to others, and give us your feedback and questions in the comment box. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's reach our goal of 100 subscribers. Now let's begin the process. Now to start this process, you need to go to the description box and then click on our referral link, the Binance referral link. You'll see it over there. Now what do you do? As you can see here, you have different ways. So what you have to do, you have to click on sign up with email or phone number. Once you do that, you are invited to Binance, so you have to put in your email. Once you put that in, you have to click on next. Now what do you have to do from here? You have to go to your email and get your 6-digit verification code that will be sent to you. Note the code is only valid for 30 minutes, so I'm just going to get that, paste it over here, and then click on the submit button. Now once I put that in and clicked on submit, it takes me to a place where I have to click on set password. Now you have to put in a password that has these conditions. It has to have at least 8 characters, at least one number, and at least one uppercase letter. Now once you put that in, you have to click on next. Once you click on that, your account will be set up. Now the next thing you have to do after creating your account is to log in with the details. You have to put in the email that was used, and then you have to put in the password. And then after putting in the password, you have to verify the code verification. And once you're done, you'll be logged into your account. Now this is what you see on your screen once you have created your account. Now to be able to optimize the Binance app, you would have to download the app. Now I'm going to show you how to do it from here. You click on these 3 dashes at the top right, you click on download. You can either download the APK or download from Google Play. I advise you download it from Google Play. Once you do that, it will redirect you to Google, and then because you do not have the app, you have to install it, but I already have the app, so I'm just going to update it. Now once you download the app, this is probably what you'd see, and what I want you to do now is to click here. Once you click here, once you click here, it will take you over here where you can see light. Now if you click there, it will change you to the pro version. Now there's no need to do that, but I will just showing you. So they have 2 features, you can switch over. Now once you click on anonymous user, that is this place over here, you would see, now you can see your ID, your registration info, your Twitter if it's linked, your verifications. Now if you click on verifications, they're going to ask you to do your ID verification, but as you can see, I'm already verified, so there will be no need for that. But if you have not been verified, then you have to do your verification, because it gives you more, it increases your limits to be able to do more on the app. Now here you can go to your referral and get your referral link, which you can copy and send to others to also join. Don't forget to send this video alongside so they see the steps. You can click over here to deposit. Once you click here, you can deposit. Here is where you can see spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, person to person trading, launchpad, because they also do launchpad for projects. This is your wallet. If you click on wallet, you'll be able to see for your spots, your funding, the earn, the one in which you can subscribe and earn on some coins. If you have a coin, you deposit, that you can invest in it for a particular amount of time and get rewards, just like staking. Here you can check out the market prices. Here is where you can trade spot trading, and on futures you can trade futures trading. Now you can go over here to discover what people are saying, news on the app, that is the Binance platform, and so many things on the platform. You can check the gainer. Those are the coins that are gaining, the losers, their new listings. You can check all this on the platform. It's a very well stocked one, and this was one of the biggest, if not the biggest, crypto exchange. Now I just wanted to show you this so that you are able to have the simple steps to be able to make your accounts and make sure that you're verified on it. And that is that about creating your Binance account. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's reach our goal of 100 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time.